What's up everybody, Tyler Horvath here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can build backlinks for completely free using helpareporterout.com. So if you aren't familiar with what helpareporterout.com is, it is basically a place to connect journalists with sources. So you're going to sign up as a source, and journalists are going to send out questions every single day asking for answers from these sources. So it's a really easy way to get a backlink because you're going to answer the question that these journalists have, and you're going to include a link and who you are. And a lot of the times when they add your submission to the content that they're publishing, they were going to add a backlink to your site. So I've been able to generate a ton of really high quality backlinks with domain authorities of 50, 60, 70, even 80 by using this method. So I'm going to show you today exactly how you can use this method to gain backlinks by just spending 10 minutes a day on Help a Reporter Out. So here's exactly what you're going to do. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up as a source. So click I'm a source, and they are going to send you emails 3 times a day. Here are the times. So you're going to get emails at 5:35 a.m., 12:35 p.m., and 5:35 p.m. Eastern Time. And that's going to be every day, Monday through Friday, and there's a number of different topics and niches that you can focus on and get backlinks to. So no matter what your site is, there are great ways to get backlinks with this method. So click subscribe now, and we're going to use the free option, but if you are wanting to do the paid options, these are the prices here. Basically the difference between these is they'll give you text alerts, and you can choose a keyword to filter out. So let's say that you are a digital marketing company and you only want to see topics that say digital marketing in them. You can get that, but it's easy enough to just sign up for free and just easily filter out all those other ones and just look through them in a couple minutes. So click sign up, and what you will need to sign up is your first name, last name, email, phone, company, and a password. So let's fill in all of this information here. Okay. And the annual revenue doesn't really matter what you put there. Okay, now click sign up. And that is basically all that you have to do to sign up for Help a Reporter Out. So they're going to send you a confirmation email just to confirm that your email address is correct. So make sure that you open that, click the link to subscribe to that, and now you're going to get these emails 3 times a day that are going to include journalist questions for a number of different things. So let me show you an example of some of these emails and how to respond to these people to get the most bang for your buck and to get more backlinks. So here is an example email that I just got today from Help a Reporter Out, and this is the general topic, so it shows all of the topics here. So you can see kind of an example of how this works and what kind of questions they're asking. So in business and finance, they're asking about e-commerce problems for online retailers. So if you're an online retailer and you have an e-commerce store, this would be a great one. It's on business.com. So I also like to check out what source it's coming from, or what journalist, what media placement it's going to be, because you don't want to waste all of your time submitting an answer to one that doesn't have a high domain authority or isn't a popular website. So we can see here that this one's business.com. Now I know business.com is a great website to get on, but just for example's sake, let's check it out and put it in Ahrefs here. So this is a tool that we use to check domain authority, check backlinks, to see how popular a website is. So let's put in business.com. And we can see that business.com gets about 430 organic visitors a month with a domain rating of about 85. So this would be a really, really great place to get a backlink from. So I would definitely answer this question from business.com, and I will show you exactly how to answer these questions so that you get picked and they add your backlink to their site. So let's use this one as an example here. So there's one here that says successful marketing experts and business owners. Now, some of them will say anonymous, so you don't know where the source is, but it's still worth it to easily answer these questions and possibly get a backlink from another site. So here is a good example of how this works. So I will copy the query here, and you're going to send an email to this email here. So they're basically random generated emails here, so that it's masked, so you can't just contact the journalist directly, but it will reach them if you just choose this email. So the best way to do this is to just click the email open. Okay, so now that we have our email open, I always like to just paste the query and any requirements in the email so they can easily reference it right there. And what we're going to do here for the subject line is we're going to copy their question exactly with possibly, if you would like, a re on it. So let's select this, and then we're going to do subject is re the title of their query or their question. And now we have to answer this question for them. So make sure you say hello first, and then you want to introduce yourself and say, your credentials or why you're an authority to, answer this question. So I'm going to say, my name is Tyler Horvath, CEO of Titan Media. I have over 15 years experience in digital marketing. Here are some great marketing methods that are effective and profitable. And then we're going to save this space for our body where we actually answer the question. Now make sure you read the requirements really closely. Some of them, they'll only want 100 words, some want 300 words. So you want to make sure if there's a word length requirement that you are adding that much exactly, and also adding a lot of value to the post. So the ones that have the most value and give the greatest information are the ones that are more likely to be picked, which means those are the ones that are more likely to get you a backlink. So make sure you answer these questions with a lot of information and detail and actionable items that can help someone who might be reading this question. So after you are done writing the body, you want to make sure that you add any other information that they're requesting. So some of them, they'll say, add a headshot and a URL to your site. If it doesn't say anything, then I would always just add the link to your site in your title as well. So I'm going to say, thanks, Tyler Horvath, CEO, Titan Media, and then make sure you add a link to your site. So let's do insert link. Titan Media. So now they have a link so that then when they reference our answer in their article, they'll say, Tyler from Titan Media says, these are the best methods for marketing. So then you want to make sure you delete the query out of there so that it's just the email, and of course answer the email. So I'm just going to write a little example here. So I'm going to say SEO is one of the greatest marketing methods that can be very effective and profitable. And then we're going to give an actionable tip or a very valuable tip that is more than just telling them that SEO is good. So let's see, writing long form content that answers questions can help generate more organic traffic from Google. And then you want to say if you would like any more information, please reply or contact me at tyler@titanmedia.com. So that way they have your email if they need to answer you, because they only see these randomly generated emails as well. So now they have your email if they want to ask you more questions, or a lot of the time, I've had people that I've answered questions for in the past come to me again and say, hey, we have another question if you'd like to answer it and get featured again. So you can get multiple backlinks from, multiple pieces of content, and it's a really, really great way to get high quality backlinks to your homepage. So if you have any questions at all about this method and how you can use it to generate more backlinks online for free, please comment below. Also, be sure to follow my channel and click subscribe, click the bell so that you get the newest videos on how to start and grow a business online. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.